Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to talk about lifecycle stage and more specifically, how to automatically set up a lifecycle stage for a contact or a company and how to sync this stage between objects. So for instance, if you have a specific lifecycle stage for a company, we want to update the contact associated to this company. And to do so, you just need to go to Setting, scroll down to Objects, Contacts, and you will go to Lifecycle Stage tab. And basically, everything that's happening, it's happening here. First, to automatically set a lifecycle stage, you can turn on these three automations. And for instance, for every time a company or a contact is created, you can define them as subscriber, lead, MQL, SQL. Most of the case we choose lead, and then when a deal is created we can choose the lifecycle stage as well, so most of the time will be opportunity, and when a deal is won you can become customer. So you have this free, easy, automated way to make it happen. If you have a way more complex lifecycle settings, I created a video that explains you in detail how to set up all the automation linked to complex lifecycle stage updates. And one thing you need to do as well is to click on this sync lifecycle stages. So per default it will not be turned on, but what does that thing do is that when a primary company stage is changing, it will automatically update the associated contacts. So for instance, let's say you talk with Robert that works at Facebook. So you have the contact Robert associated to the company Facebook, you have a deal, so it will become an opportunity, and then you have Julian that arrives on your CRM. If you don't tick this box, Julian will be considered as lead. But if you click this box, automatically Julian will copy the lifecycle stage of the company Facebook, so it will become opportunity. So this thing really depends on how you want to organize your database. If you're selling a lot of different products or services to different parts of a specific company, it might be useful to let it off. But if you're talking with several people within the same company, but they are all linked to the same deals you will create, it's better to turn it on to have a better view on your current business activity. So if it's the case, turn it on and click on Save. So that was the basic on how to sync and set the lifecycle stage for your records. I hope it was useful. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up to this video and to subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss the new ones. It was Greg. I wish you a nice day and see you soon.